Can we implement asset properties in microservices? Yes, we can implement. Even though these asset properties or database asset properties are more intact with the monolithic applications, but same asset properties can be implemented in microservices by just choosing a right architectural patterns and strategies. When you talk about asset properties in distributed environments, especially like microservices, it is becoming more challengeable because microservices are something like decoupled and are going to have different databases, and maintaining or distributing data between these different databases is much more difficult. But again, we have different approaches to be used to achieve these asset properties. When you talk about asset properties, atomicity is nothing but treating a transaction as a single unit. A consistency is nothing but a transaction of database moving from one state to another state. Isolation means a database transaction becoming isolated from each one. That becomes, it is ensuring no, or it prevents no interference. That becomes a data integrity. When it comes to durability, once the database transaction is committed, all the changes are becoming permanent and saved in the database. So if you want to implement this kind of architecture right in the microservices, we need to adopt a right architectural pattern, that is distributed transactions. One of the pattern is a Saga design pattern. Saga design pattern is basically used for distributed transactions. It comes up with two approaches, choreography and orchestration. Using of these approaches, you can start transaction with a begin and put some flag inside of your business logic, and thereafter you pass the flag along with your transaction, which is traversing between different layers inside of your business logic till the transaction is complete. It carried over the flag and make sure things are being happen without any crashing. And other side, we have message brokers like RabbitMQ, Kafka, or Amazon SNS services. They also provide such kind of features to adopt asset properties in microservices. And also we have event sourcing or CQRS patterns. That means a command query responsibility segregation, which separates the read and write operations, which becomes more lightweight for performance and scalability. So these are the different distributed transaction approaches and patterns you can use inside of your microservices in the business logic to achieve asset properties. Even though asset properties are some more technically challengeable in microservices, but using of right pattern and strategy, it is very easy.